Hey bro,
Hey.
nice jersey ya bro.
Thank you.
Ni jersey Red Bull New York.
New York Red Bull, yes.
Kenapa your fans Red Bull New York?
Ni ada member kasih.
Member kasih?
yang gila-gila New York.
Siapa tu?
Nama shout out to brother Carl.
Carl. Oh, so dia beli memang I give lah.
Yes, dia ada one pair him, one pair for me. And he went to New York. Dia ada travel ke sana. So he got me one. And then actually he bought it 2-3 years back. Masa tu tak boleh muat lagi.
Oh yeah.
Sekarang baru boleh pakai.
Dah lose weight ni.
So finally boleh pakai.
Sebab ni size M Ni size M.
L tapi cutting
M.
fit sikit.
So your favorite player from New York? Langsung tak tahu.
So sentimental value dia sebab member beli jarang enggak. Dia member belikan jersey ni jarang saya.
Siapa member tu nak juga satu like. Dia still in New York ke tak? Dia travel.
He's trying to go back
Oh, okay.
So New York ni memang ada very sentimental value for him. And then for me sebab dia pergi sana dan teringat belikan untuk member.
Yelah, some people will do that lah. As a souvenir gift kan.
Yes, betul. But surprisingly, I know New York, this team pun doing quite well juga lah dekat MLS.
Okay, thank you bro.
Alright, thank you so much.
Alright,
New
bye.
York.